Hey, Katie Osborne with Truck Hero, and today I'm going to run through the top 7 reasons why you need a truck bed cover. Kicking things off, the #1 reason why you need a truck bed cover is for weather protection. Nobody wants their stuff getting destroyed, so whatever Mother Nature throws at you, rain, snow, dust, the blistering sun, covers keep the elements out. Reason #2 is a biggie. Covering your cargo keeps it out of sight and out of mind. Keep those valuables safe by closing the cover, locking the tailgate, and your items are secure. Reason 3 might be a bit obvious, but it's to keep your cargo in your truck. Case in point, you wouldn't drive around in your car with your trunk open, so why would you do the same with your truck? Covers keep your cargo where it belongs. Reason #4, complete the look of your truck. Customize your truck with a cover that matches your creative vision. From color matched to matte black, there is a cover for everyone's needs. Need another reason? Here's #5. Truck bed covers expand the capabilities of your truck, allowing you to do more. This Retrax Pro XR features a track system that enables you to use the space above the bed, taking your adventure on the road. This ARE cap allows you to pack more in, keeping everything secure and dry. Continuing right along, reason #6 why you need a truck bed cover is because they're there when you need them and out of the way when you don't. This backflip MX4 provides security and protection when closed, but when you need to drive your buddy's furniture all the way across town, you just fold it up and it's out of the way. And our final reason why you need a truck bed cover, because they are so easy to use. They roll and they fold. Simple as that. Well, there you have it, the top 7 reasons why you need a truck bed cover. I'm pretty certain that once you have one, you'll always want one. I'm Katie Osborne, thanks for watching. For more details, check out truck-hero.com.